walking around the block this way. Now let's go this way. This is the way we always go. We're walking butterscotch too. Wee, cute little puppy dog.
Flowers. Look like the flowers.
That girl is a dumb, they say. Whenever we pass that house that Malia was talking to, I want to show you the outside. Butterscotch always takes a pee. We're gonna have to walk around like this. No, Butterscotch, get out of the street. Get over here. Butterscotch, get over here. Let's run. We gotta run. He needs exercise. Come on, Butters. Run. Oh, you're running. Beautiful neighborhood.
It's a shiny black bug.
Pumper crack. Wow, it's the sky.
What are you doing?
Doing myself? I just said I'm doing myself.
Oh my god.
Butterscotch. This is what you're thinking in your mind. Ooh, I'm just going to see that once in a lifetime, so I better pee on it now.
Oh my god.
But I popped some tags and I got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up. This is flipping awesome. Welcome to the club. Say hi. I got a big whoa.
Oh gosh, that'd be a fun puddle to walk in.
So dang frosty. People are like,
How do I
people
get
like,
there?
dang, that's a cold honky.
Butters.
This is why we never take them for walks.
No, Butters. Don't go in the water. Oh gosh.
Keep watching. Keep walking. They're walking without us. I'm a good cameraman. I'll never catch up. I'll do it.
Look at this big shadow. It looks like a big eagle.
Whoa, I'm haul. It's like a chain, you know, with our friends. Malia makes me laugh and I make Katie laugh, and you make me laugh and I make you laugh. So me and you make each other laugh, but I just make Katie laugh, and Katie makes me laugh sometimes. Malia makes me laugh all the time, and I barely make her laugh.
Well, she does make you laugh.
Yeah, I know, because she does all the dumb things that are hilarious.
Oh my god, Butters.
Butterscotch, you don't. You didn't even pee. You
just. He's like. I'm never gonna see this again.
Don't hold it that way, because then
Okay.
it won't do right on YouTube.
It won't do right.
Come on, Butters, run with me. How do they know my name?
They yelled your name though.
I know. I'm like, how do they know my name?
Yeah.
They should say your name. Like, boy. Oh my god, what the heck?
Oh, I thought those were rocks.
Video that.
It's carpet. Come on, Butters. I used to get a lot of that stuff and make, like, I used it for one of my projects for school once. It was cool.
Butterscotch, no. She's like, whoa.
Water, big puddle, car. Oh my god.
Did you get that? Did you get that?
No.
Oh, why?
Oh, I think I did.
Butterscotch, you don't even need a pee. Get over here.
People! I videoed them.
Come on, buddy. Butterscotch, you better stop. I'm never taking you for a walk again. I'm not saying that to me. I'm saying it because
He is, wait, my hand has 5 fingers.
That'll make people think you're retarded.
I'm retarded. And most of you people don't know who I am.
Sean, are you gonna break this? Can you cross your chest and you back to your ear? You're like, let's
What?
get retarded.
It's Winnie.
Watch this.
Me. I'm not telling you my name.
I'm gonna put you on
A
there,
mystery
you're gonna break
person.
your wrist and you're gonna cross your chest and you'll bite your
Doggy.
You're like, let's get retarded.
And never car. Oh, Butters! Oh my god, that scared me.
Don't be a lion. You're not a lion. You're not
Oh my god, Trinity!
Butterscotch, stop it. Butterscotch, get over here. Butterscotch! Butterscotch! Butterscotch!
Get your tiny little butt over here. Let's
Come
go.
on, Butters. I'm not letting you go any further.
Oh god, I almost ran into the gate. I wasn't looking where I was going out. Butters!
Butterscotch! Stop it!
Shut up, dog. You're hearing farts. I pledge allegiance to the flag of
One time I was walking around the block after school with him in a stroller.
Oh, I remember that we did that at my house.
Yeah. Butterscotch!
Butters.
Can't see anything. Butterscotch! Get over here!
He said he hasn't seen anything go, Butterscotch, get over.
Butterscotch, stop! Butterscotch! I love you.
This is a cool looking tree.
But I loved you, but I hate
Let's
you.
climb this tree.
Butterscotch, you don't need to pee.
You stupid dog.
Idiot.
You calling me the idiot?
No, go on, hit me, idiot.
You sure?
Yeah.
Come on, Butters. Look at his little legs run.
He's so fancy. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Do your little prance.
Remember?
Do it. He's like, rah, rah. Butters. These are wild strawberries. These are wild strawberries plants.
Butterscotch,
I have some.
yummy.
They haven't grown yet.
Pop in the lock. Ha!
Butters.
You are ready.
Where'd he
Walk
go?
at the same pace. He's walking as slow as I am. Go faster, go.
Running backwards. There's a house. There's a house. The house behind me.
Sorry.
There's a bush. It's crazy look. Let's go inside the bush. Our hiding spot.
Okay, come on, Butters. Wait, no, I'm gonna put him over here.
Okay.
Let's stop the video now.
Okay.
That's just
Bye bye, peoples.